Hey teachers, I hope you're hanging in there. This is Missy Feller, English teacher and e-learning legacy coach, to show you how to create a digital worksheet using Google Slides. This demo is designed with teachers in mind. In this video, you'll learn about editing the worksheet for digital use, exporting the worksheet as an image, and adding manipulatives to the worksheet. Learning new things takes time, so don't get frustrated. Feel free to pause the video at any time to follow along with me. If you are following along with me, go ahead and have the worksheet open as well as a new Google slide deck. Pause the video to open those two things now. I'll see you when you're ready. And off we go. This video started as a question from a peer teacher. How do I create a worksheet or note sheet for students that they can't mess up? In Google Docs, students can accidentally move or delete things, but we're going to fix that with this demo. I'm going to start by deleting the name line and adjusting my margins to maximize space, since students will be filling this out digitally and their name will automatically be attached to their submission. Next, I'm going to make some minor adjustments to the text size in certain areas. I'm also going to add some additional instructions to adjust for a digital and not handwritten paper. Here, I'm going to align the text to the left to make room for the image that I'd like for them to add to the right. To enter to the next line without adding space, hold down the Shift key when you press Enter. I think I'm going to plan for a page break after the image of the helium element. Now, I'm going to make some adjustments to this table, including changing the text size, adding some color, and adjusting the columns to make the most room for their responses. To distribute certain columns equally, select the columns, right-click, and choose Distribute Columns. To force a page break, hold down the Control key and press Enter. Double checking the document now to make sure there's no mistakes. Now, I'm going to zoom out to see the whole page at once. I'm also going to view full screen. To turn this page into an image, move your cursor to the next page and out of view. Then open the snipping tool and select the entire page and save. Are you still with me? Great! Let's keep going. Head on over to your new Google slide deck and name the document. You can go ahead and delete these default page elements. Now head over to File and Page Setup, and we're going to create some custom dimensions. Didn't know that you could do that? Yes, you can choose any size for your slide deck. Zoom out so you can see the whole page. Cool, looks like a sheet of paper. Now we could go to Insert, Image, and add the image of the worksheet, but what if students move it or delete it? Let's apply the image as a background instead. Looks pretty good. I'm glad I made the text bigger. Now I'm going to need to add some text boxes for the students to type their responses. Once I create one, I'm going to use Copy C, Copy V to duplicate. Use the red guidelines to align your text boxes. Click and drag to highlight multiple text boxes and duplicate using Copy C, Copy V. Cool! What do we want to do with this image? Maybe some drag and drop manipulatives? Let's go for it. Let's create some arrows using the Shape tool with the labels for this diagram. Go to Arrange, Order to change the order of the objects. Change the font to achieve the look you like. Click and drag to highlight objects and right-click to group. Hold down the Shift key while rotating objects to align on right angles. Now, students can drag and drop these manipulatives in the right spots to label the diagram. And here's the whole page. You can change the text that students may need to edit into other fonts or colors. Design possibilities are endless. How did your digital worksheet turn out? Be sure to check out my other student and teacher tutorial videos about Google Classroom and Google Drive on my YouTube channel. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what tutorials you'd like to see to help your students succeed. Even if no one else tells you today, you're doing great, teacher. Thanks for all you do.